In today's video, I'll be showing you how to hide and unhide your secure folder on the home and apps screen or apps drawer on your Samsung Galaxy A24. So first, as you can see, my secure folder is very visible, and if I want to hide it, what I need to do is go to settings, and under settings, scroll down until you find security and privacy. Next, select secure folder. Under secure folder, you'll see all these settings that you can use to customize it. So if you want to hide the secure folder on the app screen and the home screen, what you need to do is just tap on the toggle next to add secure folder to app screen, and then a pop-up will appear saying hide secure folder. So it will mean secure folder won't appear on the home or app screen while hidden. So just tap on hide, and then you'll notice when you go back to your app screen, the secure folder is no longer visible. If, however, you want to be able to find your secure folder easily, all you need to do is go back to settings, security and privacy, secure folder, and then these times you'll be asked to enter in your PIN, so just enter in the PIN. And then here you should see add secure folder to app screen, so just tap on that to turn it on. And then when you go back to your app screen, the secure folder is visible. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.